Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Motorbike Trails. So today we'll be traveling from Bangalore to Vagamon, which is around 538 kilometers from here. Currently next to also Lake, and it does show that it will take at least around 10 hours to 11 hours to reach there, but it will take longer than that. And the time is around 9 o'clock. Alright, and see you on the highway. So here we are in Krishnagiri toll booth, and we still have another 466 kilometers to reach Vagamon, that's in Kerala, and it still shows it'll take another 8 hours or 51 minutes to reach there.
का रास्ता खतरनाक है।
So currently we are in Salem as of now, and we still have another 361 kilometers to reach Vagamon. So Dindigul is just 106 kilometers from here, and Vagamon is 293 kilometers left. So we're just looking out for a nice hotel to have our lunch, because it's almost 2 o'clock. After we have a lunch, give the bike some rest, and then we can ride continuous to Vagamon. The expressway looks great as the road gate because of the hill behind. Looks very nice. Currently, now the kilometers to Vagamon is 163, and they show that it will take 3 hours 44 minutes to reach there, and the time now is 4:18. Most probably it shows that we'll be reaching by 8 itself, 8 o'clock. But then from Vagamon where we reach, we have to search for the rooms as well. So it'll take a few more kilometers there. This is Kumli. So we reached Kumli. That's what the guards took us to, and now from here, it is 43 kilometers to reach Vagamon, and it'll take 1 hour 21 minutes more. This hike like this. Reminds me of Munnar when we were going to Kulukummalai, the highest point. This was the road exactly like this. This is the rooms. Hey guys, we finally reached Vagamon. The time is around 9 o'clock. We just came here and parked our bikes, and we should go down to have dinner now. It took us a while to find this place, as this location was, I think, very much interior, and while we were coming here, it said around 30 kilometers. From that 30 kilometers, it took us almost 2 hours to finally find the rooms, and it was very dark, and we were going into all the small lanes. It took us very long to reach, so finally we reached here. Alright, and I'll be posting my vlog too soon, which is places to visit in Vagamon, and after Vagamon we will be also going to Varkala. So stay tuned, and do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be posting more vlogs too soon. Bye bye.